In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search elements in Canva. If you've ever stared at a blank design, wondering where to find the right image, icon, or clip to bring it to life, this will make the process simple and quick. Elements are the building blocks of your design. Things like graphics, photos, videos, 3D visuals, and even audio. Knowing how to search for them efficiently saves time and helps you stay focused on your creative idea. Start by opening your project so you're inside your design canvas. This is your main workspace where your pages and tools are visible. On the left side, you'll see a tall vertical sidebar. Click on Elements. This opens a panel dedicated to the creative assets you can add to your design. At the top of that Elements panel, you'll see a search box. Click inside the box and type what you want to find. Let's use ducks as an example. You don't need special syntax. Just write a clear keyword. Be as specific as you like. If you have a style in mind, you can include descriptive words like cute ducks or realistic ducks. If you're not getting what you want, try a different phrasing or a related term. Small changes in wording can lead to very different results. Once you type your keyword, Canva will display a variety of results grouped by type. You'll see categories such as graphics, photos, videos, 3D, and audio. Graphics typically include illustrations, icons, and stickers, great for a clean stylized look or for adding emphasis. Photos are real images that work well as backgrounds or focal visuals. Videos are short clips you can use to add motion to your design, perfect for social posts or presentations. 3D elements are rendered visuals that add depth and a modern feel. Audio includes music and sound effects you can pair with video designs or animated posts. Browse through the results and simply click the element that catches your eye. The moment you click, Canva adds it to your design automatically. You'll see it appear on your canvas, ready for you to continue working. If a result has a small icon or label indicating its type, that's just to help you understand what you're choosing at a glance. Some items may be part of a premium library, so just keep an eye on labels if you're sticking to free assets. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Elements on the left sidebar, use the search box to type your keyword, review the categories, and click the element you like to add it to your design. With this simple flow, you can quickly find exactly what you need and keep your creative momentum going.